Some big news coming in. A joint team of the DGCA, Bureau of Civil Aviation Security Office, Airports Authority of India, the Delhi International Airport Limited and the CISF teams have visited the Delhi airport before resumption of flights and have taken a look at the airport, taking a detailed note of the preparedness. Some information coming in on flights to be checked before resumption. Is it a possibility that domestic travel will be thrown open? Paulami Saha joining us for more details. Paulami, what is this really hinting at with the joint teams of the DGCA, Civil Aviation coming together at the Delhi airport? Does it look like domestic flight will open up soon enough in the country?
This is an eventuality that, of course, the Ministry of Civil Aviation is keeping itself prepared for. Obviously, the directive has to come from the top itself. It has to come from the government, whether indeed, flight operations, the commercial flight operations can be resumed or not, both domestic and international flight operations. What we're witnessing right now are repatriation operations that are being conducted by the government of India, of course, on a payment basis, but they're not scheduled commercial passenger flights, which are flying abroad and bringing back stranded Indians. So to, of course, look at the possibility of making that possible is something which is being explored at the moment. Yesterday, Secretary of the Ministry of Civil Aviation, Pradeep Kharola, along with his team, including officials from the DGCA, from BCAS, from the CISF, visited the Delhi International Airport, the Terminal 3 of the Delhi International Airport, in order to review preparedness. T3 is of the three terminals and is the terminal which is, of course, already been very busy throughout this entire lockdown period in terms of operationalizing cargo and freight movement, and also in terms of passenger flights because of the evacuation efforts that are underway that India is conducting, that foreign countries are also conducting, evacuating their own citizens from India. So they are looking at the possibility of throwing open operations post May 17th. Obviously, the diktat has to come from the top.
Right. Of course, preparedness is being monitored. Let's quickly go over to some more information coming in with regards to Hardeep Singh Puri almost hinting at starting domestic flight services after passenger trains. The Civil Aviation Minister has tweeted a photograph of a plane cabin with people in masks and face shields. The picture belongs to airplane in which government had brought back Indians, stranded Indians abroad. And this was an evacuation flight. And here Hardeep Singh Puri has tweeted a picture of this in a big hint whether they plan to open up domestic flights as well. Now several questions being raised on that after this tweet. The minister in the tweet has said that times are changing and scenes of people with masks at airport is now the new normal. Puri also echoed a line from the famous singer Bob Dylan's song, "The times they are changing." Rajdeep Sardesai also spoke with Hardeep Singh Puri about opening up of domestic flights. Here's what he had to say.
When will you resume domestic commercial operations? When will I be able to travel to Mumbai, let's say, to meet my mother? Or when can I go back to my hometown in Goa? When can any Indian who's stuck somewhere in India use air facilities? When do you expect commercial private airlines to start operating in India, Mr. Minister?
Rajdeep, I want to be as optimistic I can be. My answer to you, the one I want to give, is sooner rather than later. But I will qualify that by saying we will do it at the earliest, depending on the behavior of the virus, because we must be ready then also to open up rail traffic, to open up other forms of domestic traffic. And it also depends on, surely we cannot conduct air operations between two red zones. So we'll see how it operates. But I'm hoping within the next week or 10 days, we will get clarity on that. And then, as I keep saying, in terms of public statement, those decisions remain to be taken.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.